Now moving to a story you'll only see here on News Channel 3 tonight. DeSoto County's district attorney has sent out a list of legislative priorities he'll be supporting in the new year. The DA wants to ban social media accounts for children 13 years and under. And he wants to fund items like a crime lab in DeSoto County and a bounty program targeting illegal immigrants. WRG's Brian Didlake spoke one-on-one with the DA. And Brian, you guys really covered a whole list of topics.
Yeah, Shay, that conversation lasted about 10 minutes between myself and District Attorney Matthew Barton. And when we spoke with Barton, he says while he will not be driving the bus for these changes, he says he recognizes being on the bus and pushing for these proposed reforms with state lawmakers that could potentially save Mississippians millions. It could also make communities safer and allow law enforcement to operate more efficiently. Take a look.
Putting out my wish list. I have my Christmas wish list, and now I have my legislative wish list.
8 items make up a list District Attorney Matthew Barton hopes will make a difference for Northwest Mississippi in the new year.
One that I think is probably the most obvious is we want to amend the language of burglary tools to include these auto programmers.
The DA explains that's a tool which would allow someone to access a vehicle and start them without a key. Barton says since he has been in office, his administration has seen an uptick in auto burglaries. Barton's wish list also includes other items like a law enforcement training academy, gathering funding for a crime lab that would potentially slash the cost between the county and cities, and also the formation of what they call the Mississippi Illegal Alien Certified Bounty Hunter Program. This would be backing President-elect Donald Trump's initiative of reducing the number of immigrants in the U.S.
I've talked to ICE a few times, and they only have so many people working for ICE and the federal government, and when you get the citizens involved in a way that is safe, and it just speeds things along.
The DA says with the county being the 3rd largest in Mississippi and growing, it is time to make sure some $200 million worth of investments such as convention centers, infrastructure, and arenas are protected. Barton says included in that protection are young people as he proposes a social media ban for those 13 and younger.
We're seeing a big uptick in the exploitation cases where minors are being sexually abused online.
Not only that, Barton says his office has seen an uptick on mental health cases for students active on social media. He points to other states formulating the same plan, but shares this message for concerned parents.
There are laws for a reason, so that's the struggle with society and laws, is we have to determine what laws reflect society's values. But I think that most parents would agree that anytime we have a chance to protect our kids, we ought to, and this is a way to do that.
And now we, of course, have a full list of items on the DA's wish list on our website. Just click on this story once you go on our website at WRG.com.
A lot of issues we'll be covering. Brian, thanks so much for that.